Now let's understand AIML serving Dockerfile. This is same multi-stage Docker build. Here we must use NVIDIA's base images, handle weights carefully. Now let's compare AIML serving with Node.js Dockerfile approach. What's same? Base image with runtime. Node has Node 18 Slim. AIML has NVIDIA/CUDA 12.1.0 base Ubuntu 22.04, which has Python plus GPU runtime. Dependency installation in Node, it was npm install. Here in AIML, it is pip install -r requirements.txt, which means it is Python. Copying application code, both copy project files into the containers. CMD defined entry point. Node has node server.js. AIML has Python 3 space -m space vllm.entrypoints.openai.api_server. What's different? Base image. In Node.js, it is lightweight Node runtime. In AIML serving, base image is heavy CUDA base GPU. That includes GPU drivers plus libraries. Dependencies in Node.js is npm install, that is node modules. In AIML serving, dependencies are pip install, that is Python packages with machine learning frameworks like PyTorch, vllm. Artifacts in Node.js, it is application code plus node_modules. In AIML serving, it is model weights, that is /app/models plus Python packages. Runtime. Node.js runs on CPU only. AIML serving, it runs on GPU enabled, that is CUDA. CMD in Node.js, it runs on JavaScript server. AIML serving runs machine learning serving API, that is VLLM server. Data handling in Node.js, it is code plus small assets. In AIML serving, it is large model weights, often mounted as volumes, not baked in. So in AI or ML, the concept of dependencies, runtime, data handling, CMD, all are having different approach compared to all we have discussed. Here it doesn't depend on the CPU, which most of the other languages or their Docker files dependent on. Whereas here it depends on GPU drivers and its libraries, which is like the CUDA. It just doesn't run JavaScript server. It runs machine learning serving API as a CMD entry point, which is different. It doesn't just run node modules or app code, which was similar in every other Go or Java, etc. Whereas here it runs modeled weights, that is like /app/models plus Python packages. Data handling in other languages interpreted as well as compiled other than AIML was with code plus small or minimal assets, whereas in AI or ML serving, it is large model weights, which is often mounted as volumes, not baked in. Now let's understand the summary of AIML serving Dockerfile. Structurally, it is same. Base image, that is installing dependencies, copying the code plus running entry point. However, the big difference is GPU support and model weights. Instead of just code plus node modules, we are shipping Python machine learning frameworks plus massive model files. The base image isn't just a language runtime, it's CUDA, which provides GPU acceleration. CMD doesn't start a JavaScript server, it starts an machine learning inference server here, that is VLLM, mimicking OpenAI's API. So the mental model or our approach would be Node was installing dependencies plus running JavaScript server. Here in AIML, it is installing machine learning dependencies plus loading the model weights plus running the inference server.